triggering conversions on separate domains with fingerprint pixels. Now that remote cookies are blocked on pretty much all browsers, we need a new way of following people when they go from one domain to another. Using fingerprints is the most modern solution. They look at the browser information, come up with a unique ID for the user. So this allows you to continue tracking conversions on external sites like Shopify or HubSpot, forms, affiliates, things like that. So we're going to set up a new test today. You can see how it all works. To use the fingerprint conversions, make sure you've got it activated. Go to your settings, A/B split test, enable fingerprinting, and choose the number of days you want the visitor to be remembered. Go with 1 to keep it easy, and save the settings.
Now let's create a new
CSS test, and we'll set our conversion goal to a fingerprint pixel. See here, there's a script, and this is what we paste on the other site to trigger a conversion. So let's start this test, and now let's go to the site in an incognito mode, and we can see here that a fingerprint of DNXEEL has been created. So we log that, and when we go to the other website with the conversion, it creates that same fingerprint. So let's go check that out. Now you'll see we're on a completely separate domain. Over here is where we're going to paste the conversion script from our test, save and publish. And that's it. When this is loaded, we will fire a conversion. And we can look at the site in incognito, set fingerprint DNXEEL, the same fingerprint, and sending the conversion for the experiment. When we go back, we'll see data, 1 visit and 1 conversion. Beyond that, it works exactly the same as any other split test. It should be a fairly familiar experience.